Maybe. I was scared. But I was not weak.
Oh my God! My life is not safe! Please help me!
Viewers, today I've brought another brand new idea for you, something that's currently trending. This type of stick-style animation is going viral right now and getting massive views. So today, I'm going to teach you how to create this army-style soldier animation using 100% free tools. Alright viewers, without wasting any time, first go to YouTube. In the search bar, type Reco Animations. You can see this channel has over 12 million subscribers. And if we talk about earnings, this channel is making around 5.2K per month. And its category is entertainment. If you check the views, you'll notice that every aspect of this channel is highly trending. Now, if I click on popular shorts, you can see first short 214 million views. Second, 142 million views. That's huge, oh my god. These are massive numbers. This clearly shows that this type of content is extremely trending and highly viral. This is a golden opportunity. Now, without wasting any more time, I have already created a master prompt for you, including a complete story, a consistent character, final format, important instructions. Everything is included, so you can simply copy and paste, and your work will be ready instantly. You'll find this master prompt in my video description. Just copy it. After copying, we move to ChatGPT, paste the prompt there and click on Generate. Now wait a few seconds and boom, you'll get scene-by-scene image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, everything ready. Let me give you a pro tip. If your character isn't consistent, simply instruct ChatGPT to automatically insert the same character prompt in every scene. This ensures your images and videos stay consistent. If you still face any issue, just ask me in the comments section, I'll help you. Now go through each scene one by one. You'll notice they are highly unique and follow the exact structure of the master prompt. After reviewing, copy all scenes and create a document file. Separate image prompts, video prompts. Highlight them clearly so you stay organized. Done. Perfect. Now we move to the most important part, our 100% free image generation tool. Let's go. Alright viewers, without wasting any time, you need to open the website Leonardo AI. This website is 100% free. First, simply click on Start Now. Then, log in using any Gmail account. And the best part is GPT Image 2 is now available here. Today, I'll be generating all my images using GPT Image 2. As you can see below, I've already logged in using a random email. You can even use a temporary email. Just copy a temporary email, go to Leonardo AI, paste it there, receive the code, and log in. The advantage is you get 150 credits per email. That means you can use multiple emails and generate unlimited images. Now, without wasting time, let's move to the image section. Today, I'll be using the new ChatGPT model, Image 2. First, let me quickly show you how it generates images. Simply copy your first prompt, paste it here, select the aspect ratio, and click on Generate. Right now, I haven't manually selected the ChatGPT model, I left it on auto, just to show you how Leonardo AI performs by default. As you can see, the result is actually good, not bad. But today, my main focus, and the reason I introduced Leonardo AI, is this GPT Image 2, which is the latest version. You can see it only takes 8 credits per generation. Just 8 credits and your image will be ready. So I simply pasted my first prompt and clicked Generate. Now you can see my first image is being generated using GPT Image 2. And boom, you saw the previous result and now look at this one. This result is way more amazing. GPT Image 2 is the latest model, and it only costs 8 credits. That means you can generate around 10 to 15 images per email. Now I'll select my second prompt, paste it, click Generate, wait a few seconds, and boom, my second image is ready and the result is amazing. Now I repeat the same process. Third image generate, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. I'll paste all prompts one by one because I want to show you the final output quality of GPT Image 2. Honestly, for just 8 credits, it gives you VIP level images. What more do you need, viewers? I brought this website again for you because GPT Image 2 has just been released and most platforms charge a lot of credits. But here you get free credits and can generate unlimited images. Now you can see all my image prompts are generating one by one. And after a short wait, boom! all my images are ready. Just look at the final result. Oh my god, viewers, this is gorgeous. Check all the images and notice how consistent and smooth my character looks across every single scene. You can go through each image one by one. All of them are clean, high quality, and professionally generated. This clearly shows how powerful Leonardo AI's GPT Image 2 tool is. Now viewers, I've taught you how to generate images. This was our first 100% free tool. Now let's move to the video creation part. First, download your favorite scenes. Today, I'll show you another 100% free tool for video generation one that provides daily credits. You know, I always bring tools with daily credits so you can create content for free every day. Now, I'll download my favorite scenes. Done. Now let's move to the video tool. For this, go to Flow AI. Earlier, I used Flow AI mainly for image generation, but today, we'll use it for video. Simply log in. You can see it gives 50 credits daily. Now, I'll select my top 5 images that I want to convert into videos. Here you can see my 5 images are selected. Now, one by one, I'll add a good prompt. Click Generate. My first image to video generation has started. Now I repeat the same process for second, third, fourth. I'll add prompts and click Generate. As you can see, all 4 videos are now generating. After a short wait, boom, all my videos are ready. Viewers, I'm moving a bit fast because I don't want to waste your time, but you can clearly see how beautifully these videos are generated with voiceover. This tool is a 100% free and you can create 5 videos daily, each around 8 seconds long. Make sure to use VEO 3.1 Lite. I always recommend using version 3.1 Lite. Now all my videos are ready and I've shown you everything step by step. Now download all these videos. After that, we move to another 100% free tool called Daijin AI. This tool is also completely free and gives 150 credits daily. Without wasting time, select RealMotion 3.1 Turbo, which supports audio and is free. Now I select my first image, add a prompt, and click Generate. You can see it takes around 2 minutes. After waiting, boom! My first image to video is ready with voiceover and it looks amazing. Now I repeat the same process for the second image. Add prompt, click Generate. It takes around 3 minutes, and now you can see both results are ready. Alright viewers, let me summarize everything. Today, I introduced you to 3 websites, Leonardo AI for image generation using GPT Image 2, Flow AI for video generation, Daijin AI for advanced video with voiceover. All 3 tools are 100% free. Using these, you can create content in any niche. Also, I've provided all prompts in the description. Now I'll download everything one by one and move to the editing part. For editing, simply open CapCut. Drag all your videos into the timeline, then arrange them in sequence. To remove logos or adjust framing, use the scale option. Now finally, my full video is ready. I'll export it. And now you can see the final result. Oh my god, viewers, this is gorgeous. All my videos look amazing and highly trending. You can now easily upload this to YouTube. Alright viewers, I hope you really liked today's 100% free tools and this niche idea. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. I'll see you in the next video with another new idea. Until then, goodbye.